Oil and NG specifically has given a strong gap up today. And likewise, oil is also trying to trade with a support, trying to rise a little. So what to expect today? Which position we should take and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We will decide how to profit, how to make money trading these two today. First, we'll look into oil, followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's now crude oil WTI on the hourly charts. You can find out lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Hence, I'll wait for it to break past 72.4 levels. Yes, if you see it trading above 72.4, you can buy and expect 73, and breaking above 73, certainly you can remain long. Till the time it trades below 72.4, we have to stay cautious, and specifically till the time it trades below 73, the potential for it to trade bearish exists. However, on the downside, I have always maintained 70 levels are going to be the very strong support, because below that on the downside there is going to be a resistance at around 67 and 65 only. Till that time potentially it can give you good slide, and hence we have to remain cautious here. Now if you look at the directional movement, here is bearish, stochastic is looking downwards, the MACD is trying to converge here, and the RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see the resistance here at 72.4, 72.5 is strong. Potentially beyond that 73 is going to be the next strongest resistance, and beyond that only it is going to fly high. Also remember, below 71, yes, below 71 you can stay short for 70.4, and below that we can see it sliding more. So in between 71 and 72.4, for this $1.4, do not trade crude oil WTI. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading flat, trading comfortable. The MACD is also on the green side, trading with a very little divergence. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, now see on the 3-hour charts there was a gap which is filled here. There is a resistance from the 20 period average. Also see, this is going to be a very strong support here at 71.4 and then 71. These two levels are certainly going to be a very good support. Below that only you can confirm that there is going to be little bearishness. So in between 71 and 72.4, do not trade. Similar observation, and we are confirming it from different time frames. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is in green and it is trying to diverge a bit. RSI trading flat and near to the bottom there. And if you look at the 4-hour, now if you look at the 4-hour chart, see how oil is traded: consolidation, sharp drop, consolidation, sharp drop, consolidation, and it is in fact trying to consolidate between 71 and 73 only. Rest all the indications are almost same on this time frame, but just one, that RSI is almost trading near to the oversold levels. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, now see the movement of oil on the daily charts. See, it appears it has created the bottom here and it is willing to reverse from here. There is a potential for it to rise once it trades above 73 levels. You can see this. Once it trades above 73, I will look forward to 74.5 and 75 levels, trading above which confirm this for a little more retracement, and then you can expect it to come down till towards 78 levels. Hence you need to remain cautious. Also it is trying to take the same. This is a reversal indication. Potential for rise exists from here. Once you see it trading either below 71 or either above 72.4, you can remain you can take your positions accordingly. Above 72.4, my target is 73 first and very strongest, then 74.5, 75.2, and then beyond that we can see it rising a bit. On the downside, selling or trading below 71, you can expect 70.4, and then it will break below 69.5, and then we can expect 68, 67 levels, which are the next support levels. So trade accordingly. It appears it is trying to reverse a bit. It may try to show you a little rise, hence take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. NG has given a strong gap up today, and this is what we saw on our weekly analysis. Also I told you above $7 it is going to fly high, hence you need to wait for 7 to get achieved now this time. Now look at the hourly charts. couple of red candles trying to retrace. Once you see it trading below 6.7, you can expect 6.67, and then below that 6.5, and there is a gap which needs to be filled till 6.3. There is a possibility that it can try to fill the gap in this week itself. Directional movement extremely divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish. The RSI is overbought. Hence, it needs a little drop on the downside. But not necessary that the gap will fill today itself, and hence you have to remain cautious. So yes, you can sell here at 6.75, expect 6.7, 6.67, and then below that 6.5, 6.4, and then further lower levels till towards 6.3 can be seen filling the gap. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD bullish, RSI overbought. So on the 1 hour and 2 hour, both time frames indicators are overbought. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, see this stronger tail here and lower highs. This time if it breaks past 6 point, you can see this was the previous actually candles, and now this is given a gap up here. This also indicates that potentially trading below this zone at 6.7 and 6.67, you can definitely expect a little drop, what we saw on the 2 hour charts. At the same time, yes, only above 6.85, that is this zone, you can expect that we are looking forward to 6.9 and then $7 levels to be breached today itself. It is bullish on the 3 hour charts. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is overbought also, and hence a little cooling, little drop can be expected. Now look at the 4 hour chart. Similar is the observation. 6.7, 6.67 is a very good support on the downside. It is bullish, it is overbought. Everything remains same on the 4 hour charts too. All the indicators are likewise equally appears to be overbought. Now look at the daily. See, on the daily charts, last week we saw it gave a gap down, and then we expected that potentially it may try to fill the gap within the week itself, and see, this filled the gap. Now it is given a gap up here, and this gap might also get filled sooner or later. So for the day, only buy entry I will recommend is beyond 6.85. Beyond 6.85, you can expect 6.9 to provide a very strong resistance there, and beyond that we will be seeing NG flying above $7 levels, which might take it to 7.2, 7.5, and then 7.8 levels in the month of December itself. On the downside, you can sell at 6.7 and then expect first support at 6.67, then 6.6, and then 6.54, 6.4 levels to be seen there on the downside, which are good support. 6.3, which is also going to be the next support level, and the gap to be filled there. Hence, take your trades accordingly in between 6.7 and 6.85 for this $1.5. Do not try to take your position. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.